It's beer snack time, and I found this one in Aldi. I don't know what it's going to be like, but it sounds quite interesting. It is. Let me get that up there. Flavoured pea snacks, sea salt and vinegar. Passions Deli. Let me get that. You see the little Aldi logo. Let's give them a go. And they look like you expect, like a pea pod. It's going to focus. Look. Really strange. A bit like a. They remind me of the salt and vinegar kind of chipsticks you can get. And the ingredients are dried marrow fat pea 69% with a whole wealth of other stuff, obviously flavoured with salt and vinegar. Not bad actually. There is another flavour that I need to review, which is the sweet chilli. That's pretty good. Quite a different taste. It kind of got that. You get that kind of mazy kind of like taste that you get with the like the chipstick type crisps. You definitely get a lot of the pea coming through. That kind of that pea taste. Not bad. Currently sipping a wheat beer and some Aldi pea snacks. That's a definite beer snack, I think. So, if you can see them, I don't know if they're in like a special section, but I managed to get hold of some this week. From Aldi, flavoured pea snacks, sea salt and vinegar.